Tesla is gearing up for the year's final delivery quarter, and new drone footage from Gigafactory Berlin shows several Model Y vehicles being prepared for delivery. Tobias Lindh, a drone operator, captured footage of the Model Ys parked in various parking lots at the factory. Tobias observed the factory deliveries had begun and that not only were several Model Ys awaiting delivery, but that many car carriers were picking up the vehicles. Welcome to Smarter Tech, and in this video, we'll take the first look at Tesla Giga Berlin preparing Model Ys for deliveries and latest updates you need to know. If you look closely at the drone footage, you'll notice that the majority of the vehicles are white, with a few black ones thrown in for good measure. However, there were a few cars that were quicksilver painted as well. The latter has already been observed. Analysts noted last week that for Tesla to have a successful quarter, vehicle deliveries to Europe must be successful. The vehicle production at Gigafactory Berlin may just help Tesla do well in Europe, which is the smallest source of domestic production. Along with the deliveries, Tobias provided several additional updates, including the installation of more solar panels, the laying of the first layer of gravel for the train tracks, and the construction of Tesla's second final entrance to the parking lot. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin appears to be producing Model Ys painted in the company's new quicksilver color and outfitted with a white interior. This was hinted at in a recent drone flyover of the electric vehicle factory in Germany. There's no denying that the quicksilver color option for the Tesla Model Y is stunning. The Model Y's quicksilver color gives the all-electric crossover an extremely sleek and futuristic look, thanks to the facility's next-generation paint shop, which allows up to 13 layers for depth and dimension. However, so far, Quicksilver Model Y sightings have mostly involved vehicles with black interiors. Tesla's black interior is now quite luxurious in its own right. The company's vehicles are distinguished by their white interiors. The white interior, when combined with the Model Y's spacious cabin and all-glass roof, provides passengers with a comfortable and cozy ambience during trips. Quicksilver Model Ys with white interiors are now being produced as hinted at in a recent flyover of the Giga Berlin complex. Musk was not kidding when he said that the paint options available at Gigafactory Berlin would be unique. This appears to be especially true for Midnight Cherry Red, an exclusive color for Model Y units produced at the electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Germany. If there is a recent photo from Giga Berlin sample, it appears that the Germany-based facility is equipped with the company's most advanced paint shop to date. Cars in Midnight Cherry Red, on the other hand, do not appear to be in production. The fact that a sample of the upcoming color was featured in Giga Berlin, on the other hand, suggests that the new paint option could be available soon. Customers who want to order a Model Y with Midnight Cherry Red paint will have to wait a long time. The estimated delivery date for a Model Y painted in Midnight Cherry Red is currently listed at June 2023 to August 2023 in the configurator. Orders placed for Model Y units painted in Quicksilver have an estimated delivery date of March 2023 to May 2023. With innovations like its next-generation paint shop, which allows Tesla to offer color options like Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red, Gigafactory Berlin's made-in-Germany Model Ys are likely to be among the best that the company can offer. Musk has previously stated that the Model Y has the potential to become the best-selling car in the world, both in terms of revenue and volume. While some may dismiss Musk's word as overly optimistic, the vehicle has been gaining traction in key markets around the world. As we near the end of quarter 4 in the year, analysts correctly point out that a successful quarter for Tesla is dependent on successful vehicle deliveries to Europe. Tesla has an incredibly successful 2022, especially given the circumstances that shook the auto industry. Supply shortages, COVID lockdowns in China, and even the invasion of Ukraine. Nonetheless, Tesla rebounded from a difficult second quarter with a record third quarter. Analysts have high expectations for the fourth quarter of the year, and Tesla's ability to meet them is dependent on European success. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Coming back to the topic, despite challenges earlier in the year, many experts believe Tesla will meet its 50% growth target from last year, equating to approximately 1.4 million deliveries in 2022. Tesla will need to deliver approximately 500,000 units in quarter 4 to meet this target, and many experts believe the company is capable of doing so. Trip Chowdhury of Global Equities Research arrives at similar conclusions. Experts believe Tesla will sell 500,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter. First and foremost, global demand for Tesla vehicles remains extremely high. Tesla China recently announced the incredible feat of selling over 100,000 vehicles in November. Despite rising competition from legacy brands, Tesla remains the top EV seller in the United States. In Europe, Tesla Model Y has become an overnight sensation, challenging the top-selling vehicle in multiple countries during quarter 4. Tesla, on the other hand, has been able to significantly increase production during the same time frame. Notably, Giga Texas and Giga Berlin have been physically expanding, while Giga Texas and Giga Shanghai both met significant production targets in quarter 4. That brings us to Europe, the weakest link. Europe has the fewest domestic production sources, relying solely on Tesla's newest facility, Giga Berlin. At the same time, many of this year's economic challenges, such as inflation, supply shortages, and the ongoing energy crisis, have hit the old world particularly hard. So how is Tesla addressing this in order to meet its goal of producing 500,000 vehicles? First, Tesla is using its tried-and-true strategy of delivering as many vehicles as possible by the end of the quarter. The large number of boats leaving Shanghai and Texas for Europe is one indicator of this push. According to data compiled by ttfforum.day and first published by Maritime Traffic, 15 ships have already delivered Teslas to Europe in quarter 4, with 7 more ships from China and 2 from the United States on the way. Is this, however, an indication that Tesla is on track to have a record quarter? That is still a little unclear. According to data from a variety of sources, the number of boats sold this quarter is a new high for Tesla, but not entirely out of the ordinary. Tesla will send 22 ships to Europe this quarter, which is only 2 more than the previous high of 20 ships that delivered vehicles to Europe in quarter 4 of 2021. Hiring is another sign that Tesla is putting the pedal to the metal in this final quarter. Musk previously stated in a message that Tesla is forced to hire a large number of new employees and temp workers to meet demand during these times. Tesla enthusiasts are sometimes called upon to assist new customers in taking delivery of their vehicles. This is exactly what is visible on Tesla's hiring site right now, as the company has posted a record number of job openings in recent weeks. Finally, Tesla is offering discounts in the final month of the year to entice buyers. Tesla has already offered discounts on inventory vehicles in the United States and China, and a similar offer in Europe is possible in the coming weeks. While these 3 factors do not necessarily indicate that Tesla is on track for a record quarter 4, they do show that the company is on the right track. With such encouraging signs, it's easy to see why experts have high hopes for Tesla. Demand is still high, supply is increasing, and signs of a strong end-of-quarter push are visible. However, to say that the achievement is in the bag would be premature. Tesla still has a long way to go before selling 500,000 vehicles in a single quarter. Nonetheless, many people are optimistic about the end of the year. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Before that, we'd like to know what your thoughts are about the future of Giga Berlin. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.